Welcome or welcome back to another day of Junk Journal July for 2026. So let's grab our junk journals and let's get creative for day 14 and the prompt of gratitude. Hi guys, sorry for being so late with the uploads. Currently it's just everything is a bit of much, but I try to stay consistent and just hopefully will be able to do a bit of catch up. I did create the spreads on the daily occasion, so they are ready to go. I just need to edit the videos. Yeah. And for today, the prompt is gratitude, and I just tried to focus on being grateful for what I have accomplished throughout the last few years, and that I'm able to even do that and build such a lovely community here on YouTube. And so thankful for all your lovely comments and all your appreciation, even though I'm not on schedule at the moment, but I hopefully will be very, very soon. Just, yeah, the next few weeks will be a bit stressful still, and then everything will hopefully calm down a bit. And yeah, sometimes in those busy times you have to remind yourself to focus on the good things and shift your focus to the things that work out, and not just stare at the part of life that is stressful and busy. Sometimes you just have to shift your focus, and for me it's always very useful to use a gratitude spread to do such a focus shift in a way. So this one was very needed in the middle of July, to just remind myself that we're doing okay and that everything will work out in the end, and that I have come far throughout the last few years, and that I can be very grateful for everything that worked out. And I just decided to make a little journaling card and a tuck spot for today's spread, and just write a little list of things I'm thankful for on the journaling card. And here I'm just adding a few decorations to the spread to make it visually appealing. And as always, we have to make a little label to add to the spread as well. How are you guys all doing? I hope you are still going strong, taking part in the Junk Journal July challenge, or just enjoy watching my slowly rolling in videos. I'm really happy with how this spread turned out. I decided to make a little collage on the front of the journaling card. Here I'm just first trying to figure out which card would be the right one. And first I thought I maybe use this one where I did the watercolor spread a while back, but then I decided to go with something different, and I thought maybe this paint sample could be a nice journaling card. But in the end I also did not use the paint sample card, but did use something else, just a simple note card that is kind of good cardboard and just has a lot more free space to work with. And then I decided to get out this magazine to make a bit of a little collage, and I really liked this model and the combination of the orange dress and the blue background. Thought kind of has some calm and vibrant vibes, and I thought I would add that to the spread, and I found some little moons to add to the spread as well. So it's quite minimalistic in a way, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm super happy about how today's spread turned out. I think it's quite minimalistic, but really cute, and I'm so thankful for all your patience with my messy uploads schedule this Junk Journal July. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for keeping me company while creating. I hope you enjoyed this creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And see you very soon for the next Junk Journal July creative adventure. Until then, happy creating!